Today I would like to share with you a clean my refrigerator with me video. This refrigerator is so dirty. It has not been cleaned out since before Christmas. So that tells you how dirty this refrigerator is. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to take you inside so you can see how dirty it is. We're going to clean it up and we're going to do some organization while we're in there. I stopped by the Dollar Tree, picked up some of these little white baskets so I can do some organizing in that refrigerator. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to take you inside the refrigerator. So here's what the outside looks like. It's got lots of dirty spots on it. My ice maker's dirty. And this is stainless steel, so it doesn't show fingerprints, but it does have a lot of dirt on it. I'm going to open up the refrigerator, and as you see, this top is really full, so I'm going to take some of this out, organize it. This second shelf is really full too. I like to keep like my veggies and my yogurt snacks in this shelf, but it's just a mess. Then you pull out this drawer and things are just everywhere. I mean, there's cheese droppings everywhere. Some of this probably needs to be thrown away. Yeah, it's definitely time to get this straightened out. This shelf right here is usually just my leftovers. Have some dates here. And then this shelf is always for the drinks. So I have the green teas for hubby, and he drinks diet soda too sometimes. I do drink diet soda. I know it's not the best for you. What can I say? It's my weakness. And then in this drawer we have lots of veggies. I picked up some clearance chicken breast. The next drawer, more veggies, some oranges, and I do have some little containers here that I do keep vegetables in, but see how dirty the paper towels are. I've just not had a chance to clean this thing like it needs to be. Like some of these oranges, they need to be thrown away. Unless I can do some, but I think I'm going to throw them away. Yeah, so this is it. Terrible. And then here's a lot of dirt, like tea that is spilled from the top. Here are my shelves. Just lots and lots of yucky dirt. Here's mustard, half open. Need to combine them. You can see the dirt in there. This needs to be thrown away, probably. Onto the next shelf. It's not as bad, but you can see some dirt in there. And then this top shelf, dirty. And here's where I keep my butter, my yeast, my cream cheese. So this definitely needs working on too. And then, when I say refrigerator, I mean freezer too. So we're going to go into the freezer. So up here is just where I have the ice pack things. Some leftover blueberries from the garden. Some tomatoes from the garden. But you see, it's kind of dirty up there. This shelf just has some meats on it. These donuts are left over from work. We had a party many months ago, and I thought, well, I'll just freeze them and we'll eat them. They're still here. I'm not going to eat them, so we're going to throw them away. Some crinkle cuts, chicken breast. This is usually where I keep all my meat, but as you see there, some strawberries have leaked down here and got all dirty. The next shelf, we've just got more veggies. Here's some roast. Here's some chicken that I picked up at clearance. Hubby some breakfast sandwiches, and down here we had a picnic at work, and all these hamburger buns, hot dog buns were left over, so I brought them home to freeze them. There's some more of that strawberry stuff. I still want to keep these, but you know, I need to figure out some recipes that I can get these things used up. Yeah, and so that's what the bottom looks like there, really dirty. We're going to take this out, clean it. This drawer here is just some leftover gravy mix. Got some corn on the cob, some more veggies down here. This is just tomatoes from the garden. Wild blueberries here. Need to clean out that. And oops, get that right there. Put it back in there. And then up here, you can see how dirty the freezer is. This is just some leftover stewed beef. So there you go, guys. This is how my refrigerator looks. So let's take all this out and put it on the counter here, and we are going to start cleaning. I've got this spick and span to clean with, my microfiber cloth, and then I did pick up some Lysol disinfecting wipes. Okay guys, this is the refrigerator with everything taken out. I'm going to show you all the disgusting, yucky stuff in there. Oh, I'll be so glad to get this thing cleaned out. Look at that. Wow. Lots of grime along the side here. And then I always put towels down in my veggies drawers because when they're in the bags, they sometimes leak. So we'll just take this out and put it in some hot water and wash it. Another one. And then here's the door. All the yucky stuff in there. Definitely needs a good cleaning, don't you think, guys? Woo. Now that all the drawers are out, I'm going to show you again how dirty this refrigerator is. Filthy. As you can see, I think it's this next shelf here. It looks like something spilled all back down there. Maybe tea or diet drink, something, but it spilled. So I've got to work on that and get it clean. Here's the drawers all emptied out. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, now that I've got all the drawers and shelves washed, I'm going to let them dry. Then I'm going to head over here to the refrigerator and we're going to clean it out on the inside. Pleased with how it turned out. It looks so nice and clean. It looks almost brand new. That stain really came up well. Looks so nice and While this is drying, I am going to work on the door with the spick and span. Okay, while I am waiting on these shelves to dry to go back into the door, I'm going to start putting stuff back into the refrigerator. inside the refrigerator. Now I'm going to work on getting the shelves back in here, and we will put everything, the condiments, the mustards, the heavy whipping cream, soy sauce, all that kind of stuff back into the shelves here now that it's all clean. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I'm very pleased. I'm glad I took the time to clean this disgusting refrigerator out. Hopefully I can keep it clean like this for a little while. I would like to go to Walmart and see if I could find me an egg thing to put my eggs in, like that plastic thing that you just put the eggs in, so I can get rid of the cartons. And then another thing I would like to get is one of those soda dispensers. I see people have them in their pantry, and I think it would be cool in your refrigerator. Yeah, so everything else I think turned out really good. All my veggies. And down here's the fruits. And then my doors turned out really good compared to what they were. My goodness, they were a mess. And I am running out of light, so this is going to be a 2-day video. Okay, day number 2. Let's get this freezer cleaned out. The inside of the freezer, pretty bad. Right there's some strawberry droppings from my frozen strawberries, more strawberry droppings, and then that drawer looks horrible. And then here are the side door drawers. I've already put some warm water in the sink, so I'm going to wipe everything down with warm water. Take these drawers out here and that big drawer out there and get this thing cleaned up. My goodness. See the top of the doors? They are a hot mess. Okay guys, I am so pleased with the way it turned out. All those stains came right up. I thought it'd be a lot harder, but it wasn't. So I'm very thankful. Turned out amazing. Now let's see if I can keep it this way. I'm gonna get the drawers and put them back in the door, and the big drawer back in there. And then we'll wipe the outside off and we'll be done. I am so pleased. I'm just going to put in a plastic container. This plastic container, I'm just going to add these biscuits to it. And throw the box away. So that worked out perfect. I do apologize about the last part of this video. It seems that my camera wasn't recording my voice as I was speaking, so I'm going to have to let my husband look at this. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching. See you soon. Bye!